Many colleges and universities, including Oberlin, rely on district energy systems for heating and cooling.
This is the central heating plant. We're located behind the mud building. The plant was built in 1947. We serve 56 campus buildings, and in the wintertime we use 3 boilers for heating with 7 miles of underground steam lines. And in the summer we have 3 chillers for cooling with over 1 mile of chilled water line underground.
What makes district energy systems so cool is that they provide enormous thermal resources to large campuses, thanks to a small yet highly efficient staff. Operating a heating plant is an art form, and the staff at Oberlin Central Heating Plant consistently maintain our equipment to ensure peak performance from our long-standing and sturdy infrastructure.
The current district energy system at Oberlin College is about 100 years old. The original central heating plant was located in the middle of Wilder Bowl and was built about 1915. At that point in history, coal was the most readily available resource to heat spaces. Then, about 40 years later, the central heating plant moved from Wilder Bowl to its current location on West Lorraine Street to allow for increased efficient capacity throughout campus. In 2014, the central heating plant went through another transition, this time from coal to natural gas, which has about half the emissions as coal at its source.
Natural gas conversion sounds like a super technical and confusing process, but the truth is, it's not. We're going to break it down into 3 easy steps that anyone can understand. Step 1. Gas is burned in something called the combustion chamber, all while fire heats water that will be circulated through the boiler's tubes, producing steam. Step 2. This steam is then pushed out to buildings all around campus and the greater Oberlin community. Step 3. Now here's the cool part. Once the steam reaches the desirable building, it flows through something called a heat exchanger, which heats up the water and then can be used for everyday use. Fortunately, the temperatures aren't too hot, even though it's coming out of something called a boiler. The district energy system is the most efficient and sustainable method for heating and cooling a campus. It also makes our carbon neutrality goal more achievable because we can focus on one renewable energy source that will decarbonize all of Oberlin's 80+ buildings, as opposed to seeking individual solutions to achieve carbon neutrality. Want to see change in the world? We do. Oberlin is on the forefront of innovation towards a greener planet, and we hope to set an example for others.